from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. So today I have Mckaizlee with me. She is my son's girlfriend. She's a doll. Anyway, she always has really cute braids when she comes to the house. So I asked her if she'd be so sweet and kind to do this for us. I wanted to show how to do a braid on yourself. So I thought it'd be good for her to show you guys a cute little braid. So I will just have her get going and kind of explain what she does. So go ahead.
Alright, so when I first start out, I like to have my hair freshly washed. I feel like it braids better. So I usually just take a smaller piece like this, just on the top. And then I will separate it into 3 pieces. Like so. Then I will always take my front piece and go under. And then you take the back one and go under as well. And then I usually pull it tight. Then I take this piece and grab more hair and go under with it. And then I take this back piece, grab more hair and go under. Then you just keep repeating front piece, grab more hair and go under. Back piece, grab more hair, and go under. And then usually I only like to go this far with my hair, so then I won't take any more hair with it, and I'll just keep braiding it down. It kind of just depends how you like it. Then you just do a regular braid with it. Then I usually just take a small elastic, put it around. Okay. Do you want me to? Okay, so now I will usually pull my hair out, but I usually think it looks better. Do some hairspray, and then I usually start from the top and take the braid and pull it. So it just makes the braid look bigger and not as tight. And then I just keep pulling the sides out. And you can do it as big or as small as you like. You just kind of make it form to how you want. Just kind of like that. And then usually I will take a bobby pin and then just kind of pin my hair back like this. I'll take it underneath, usually. Maybe. And then just kind of set that to the side. Oh gosh, maybe. Let's see, I'll use it. And then just pin that hair down underneath. And then put that over the top. Just kind of like that.
That is so cute. Okay, see how cute that is, you guys? And then she just has her hair just fall over it. I love it. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we thank Mckaizlee for doing this. We're going to have her do some more braids on some different videos because it's just super fun to see them. So anyway, thanks, you guys. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you soon.